Mel's Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi, nice to see you all. Sorry I'm absent a lot at the moment, but there is an awful lot going on in this household, so I'm just doing what I can when I can, and I hope you'll all understand. And I'm hopefully going to do a whip and chat soon. Won't be for about 2 weeks, and hopefully things will be settled, and I'll do a whip and chat which lets you know what's been going on. But anyway, I digress. I've got my candle lit. I've only just lit it. It's lavender. It smells divine because I've been out shopping. So I've got that. I just turned the fan off because it was making such a noise. I've got my first cup of tea of the day, which is now 4 o'clock, but yes. And then I had this parcel I had back in, I want to say beginning of May. I want to say. I've not opened it. I just opened the top of it, looked at it, knew what it was, had to put it to one side because a lot of things were going on, and this was the least of my worries. I did contact the company and I did speak to them and explained that it would be quite a while till I did this unboxing, as they gifted it me just to show you lot, and they were fine. They said just give us a link when you do it. So it's a Saturday. I've got about half an hour free time, so I thought, right, let's get on and do this. So right, so we dive in. Oh, so they give me some choices of, I could choose what I wanted, and with everything that was going on, I said, you just pick a few items and send them. So now this, I think, oh, I'll get into it. Sorry about the crinkle. I can see it folded over there. This is, can you see? I better stand up and do it. It's a wall hanger. Okay, so this is like a glitter tape. I don't want to take it off. Can you see a glitter? Yeah, you can see. And you tape this all the way around your frame. And then, I'm not sure. Let me have a look. I think you tape the ribbon on it. Let me have a look. I've got the site up here. That one. Okay, it says to tape all around your picture, but when you come to the top, so you've gone all the way around, do top or whatever, do a top one and a bottom one, and then when you do the long side, as you come up, you've tied these on the end. If you tie them there, or glue them, whatever, and then tape the tape round them, and that will hold it firm. So have this on the outside, tape in the middle, and that will hold the bar on like that. Yeah, so the tape would come down there on the frame. So it would only be for like a small frame. So what size is that? That is just over 13 inches, which is roughly, let me have 330 roughly of dowel in there. I don't know if they do any bigger ones. Josh has nicked my blinking scroller thing, so I can't really see. It says you get 3 meters of roller tape, and then black lanyard. Doesn't say how long is that then. I'm sweating cobs here, guys. That's 300, 400, 500, 600 millimeters, which is 60 centimeters. What was that? That was 370. Sorry, that was 40 centimeters. That was. And it said it should be suitable up to 40/80. 40, so basically the width is 40, and then they don't recommend going any more drop than an 80 because it won't hold it. But we'll have to frame one, come back and frame one. And I don't think that's very much money. Let me have a look. This is, did I say NewCraftDay? £1.72 to £4.80. I don't know why. Let's have a look. Oh, it depends what you buy. If you just buy the stick and the without the tape, I presume. Yeah, and then if you buy the tape, it goes up to £4.55 for the tape, the stick, and the oh, that's the tallest. They go up to a 55cm ribbon, which is what I said, and 33 centimeters is 5 feet. Oh, I don't know. You'll have to look. I can't blink and click on it with my computer's on the way out. Yeah, the biggest one is 65 centimeters of ribbon, and the stick is 43. And then the smallest one they do is, I'll get there in the end, 55 centimeters of ribbon and 33 centimeters of the doweling, and you get your 3 meters of roll, which is roughly about 2 inches wide, whatever you have. Right, let's go in the next one. Oh, what's this? This looks a bit weird. This has got to be framing stuff, isn't it? Right, let me just put that in there. Self-adhesive, yeah. Oh, there we go, nice and easy. It's on their list of stuff because I just put their email up with all the list of stuff. Right, this is a diamond painting self-adhesive frame. Let's get it out. I am melting now because I turned that fan out, because it is 90 degrees Celsius here in the shade, which is 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 32 centigrade in the shade. Yeah, not used to this type of come on. Oh yeah, the adhesive is good. Right, so this is like a foam type, can you see it? Foam type embossed framing, self-adhesive frame. So you would stick it down, peel it off, stick it down. I know it has to be a clean, dry, flat surface, but apparently it will stick to anything. And yeah, that is quite sticky. I don't know how long it'd last, but it says it will stick to anything. Let me see if I can see how long it is. It says it's £2.11 for one, but I don't think this would fit. Would it fit one? It says it's 230 in length, 4 centimeters wide by 0.3 of an inch thickness, which is probably right with your embossing. Does it say what type of? I don't know how many you would need though. It doesn't say what surface area would it cover. I think it would have to be quite a small picture myself for that. Because like, you might do a 30, 40 at a push, I would say with that, at a push. But for £2 odd, if you haven't got any other way of framing it and you want to put it on a, just want to make it look nice before it goes up on the wall, for a couple of quid, you know, what can you go wrong? And what else have we got? Ooh. Oh, this is one of their pens. Let me have a look. Let me go on the email. They've obviously sent me what they said in the email, so I could choose anything, but there was a few examples. Hang on. Diamond drawing point drill pen comes with a spot drilling mud, swivel out mud crayon. £2.32 to £2.72. I think it depends whether you're buying the replacement glue. You can buy replacement glue for it. This could be interesting to use. Comes in a nice little case. It's solid enough. You can tell it's, you know, can you see what I'm doing? It's like, you can tell like it's a cheap make of perfume pen. But can I take it apart? So there must be wax in there, is there? That you push down. Yeah, can you see? I don't know if you can see in there, but there's some clear wax down in there, in that hole. And then you just push that down and get gathering, and the more you... Ah, yeah, it's coming out the end. Let's see if it'll pick up some diamonds. Yes. Easy peasy. And I think I pushed a bit too much out then, so let's try it without the... Oh, I like that. And you can buy refills of the wax. Sorry, that's my phone. Hang on, I'll be back now. Yep, so definitely like that. And I said £2.32 to buy the, what's it called? The refills. You must just pop them in there, or I suppose, or you could roll out your own wax and to the size of the hole and use that if you wanted to. But yeah, I like the way it picked it up, but I said for a couple of quid again, not bad. Then finally, we have a diamond painting pen. Not pen, canvas even. So with their canvases, please check. I do not know whether they sell stolen prints or not, or whether they're licensed. You will have to check that for yourself, okay? This is a nice, simple, basic. You got your basic toolkit, your boat, wax, pen, tweezers, which are as much good as a fart in a bottle. Do you know what I mean? But hey ho. And then you've got all your diamonds, but it would probably be all right for these. So they're all special diamonds, lot, all circles and whatever. We'll have a look at the colours. You guys can see some awesome colours. I think I'll give this to my future daughter-in-law because she loves doing these specials. And she's home. She's with me at the moment, poorly. So we've got nice reds. Light blue. Oh, they're nice. Black. Blue. The teardrop blue. Oh, that's a lovely purple, like the 550s. Big gems. That's a nice, like, sea blue. Crystal clear sea blue. Electric blue. Another sea type of blues. All different sizes. That's slightly lighter. Beautiful crystal. That's like really, really pale blue. And then it's crystals in that one, and then an itty bitty diddy widdy one. And look, it's a seahorse. Yeah, let me see if I can find out. So that must be the last one. It's called Hippocampus Partial Drill 25 by 40. I think that's the canvas size, that is not going to be a print size, and it says it's £4.27, which is, you know, nothing wrong with that price. So it said 25 across. Oh my god, it is 25 across. I take it back. And 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and it's 43. Is that right? 43 across. We've got 37 there, 37, 38, 39, 40, yeah, 43, so it's slightly longer. That's unusual, but yeah, so it is true to their size. The special drill area is thing. But with these special drills, this bit is not sticky, it's only the bits where the numbers are. And I can show you them, how crystal clear they are. So easy to read. They don't really go over much of the, well, they look at it, they don't really go over at all the number, so they're going to sit really nice as well. And as I say, you can just roll it the other way or just peel your canvas back and then do that and do the same with the other one, and it will keep it flat. Or you can roll it the other way. told you the phone never stops. Yeah, so there you go. I'm quite chuffed with this, and I thank NewCraftDay.com for sending them to me, and I apologise again for the delayed posting of this video. So yeah, all that's left for me to say is thank you for coming along and having a look at my little video. It's much appreciated, especially at this time. So please take care of yourselves, look after yourselves, and most importantly guys, stay safe. Love you all. Bye for now.